Welcome to our video on what is a crypto wallet. In this video, we will be exploring the world of cryptocurrencies and explaining what a crypto wallet is and how it works. Let's start with a simple analogy. Just like a physical wallet holds your cash and cards, a crypto wallet holds your cryptocurrencies. However, unlike a physical wallet, a crypto wallet is a digital wallet that stores your digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. It enables you to send and receive cryptocurrencies, store them securely, and keep track of your transactions. There are two types of crypto wallets: hardware wallets and software wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your cryptocurrencies offline and are considered the most secure way to store your digital assets. Software wallets, on the other hand, are digital wallets that can be accessed online or via an app and are less secure than hardware wallets. To use a crypto wallet, you need to set up an account with a crypto wallet provider, and once you have done that, you'll be given a unique address or a private key that you can use to send and receive cryptocurrencies. To receive cryptocurrencies, you simply need to provide your unique address or QR code to the person sending the cryptocurrency, and they can send it directly to your wallet. To send cryptocurrencies, you need to enter the recipient's unique address or scan their QR code and enter the amount you want to send. Once you have confirmed the transaction, the cryptocurrency will be sent to the recipient's wallet. So that's it. A crypto wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send and receive cryptocurrencies securely. Whether you choose a hardware or software wallet, it's important to keep your private key safe and secure to protect your digital assets. Thanks for watching.